Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's March 6th. We did have the markets sharply lower today for corn and wheat. Corn down 20.5 cents, wheat down 22, but beans only down about a half. We got a report coming up that guys are expecting to see a little bit negative in corn, negative in wheat, maybe a little friendly in beans. That's exactly what we'd seen today. So maybe some pre-report trading, maybe some guys getting ready for this report out on Friday. But would also help pressure corn today. The idea and the talk out there that we're seeing some ethanol plants switching from corn to wheat. We'll see if that actually happens, but there's at least talk around of that going on. But we also have some export sales tomorrow. So for corn, actually look for some pretty decent export sales, 500,000 to 700,000 tons. For beans, they're looking for 700,000 to 1.1 million, and on wheat, they're looking 300,000 to 600,000. So we'll see how that looks. That comes out tomorrow morning at 7:30, and we'll see what takes place there. But a negative day here for corn, a negative day for wheat, pushing quite a bit lower, and maybe it got a little help from the dollar. The dollar was strong today, up 40 cents, 82.48 for that lead contract. The high that we had seen, last week's highs, 82.58. So we're very close to that. If we take that out and can close stronger again, looks good for the dollar. If the dollar is going to continue to go up, what happens to commodities? We see commodities start to deflate. So we've got to look for that. Crude oil has been a key component of what's going on with the dollar. Crude down about 40 points today, sitting at 90.40. So still hovering around this $90 area. We've seen some good support and a lot of back and forth trade around $90. But here once again today, still hugging that $90 level. Stock market today, once again, new highs. 41 points higher as of right now. So as I mentioned, new highs again for the stock market, looking good, forging higher. Looks like we're going to close into some new highs once again. So looks to be pretty good there. As far as livestock, you got fat cattle right now down about 90 cents, 128.70. So even though we're down 90 cents, if you look back at what's happened here today, we're $1.50 off our lows. We saw the market slam down real early in the session, and next thing you know, fighting back throughout the session as well. Couple things, though, that give more positive tune. You've got box beef right now. Actually, this morning, choice up $2.08, select up $3.28. So very strong there. And yesterday we had choice up $2.91 with select up $3.44. These are some big jumps as far as wholesale beef prices. But we've got to get the cash market to follow. So that's going to be the king. We've got to watch for that. We did have cash trade down in Texas today at 128. So see if we can hold on to that. Maybe see if we can get a little bit higher trade here out of Nebraska this week. But we did trade 128 in Texas. As far as the hogs, 30 cents higher. Now this rally happened basically in the last portion of the trade here today. 79.55 is where we've got that. Yes, it does feel a little better that we did close a little higher today, but we've got to start building on it. The momentum right now is certainly not up. It is still down. So even though we closed a little higher today, we've got to get the cash markets to turn around yet. We've seen some very sloppy trade. That's probably going to continue right now. So hopefully we can kind of consolidate here and just stop from going down yet. We've got to get the cash markets to turn around to really try to firm up the emotion yet, and maybe try to turn the hogs around. We've seen quite a decline, but hopefully today we've put in some kind of support. So a lot of information. We got a lot of news coming out here tomorrow as well. Stay in touch with us. Give us a call with any questions that you have. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.